All right. So taking a look at the next one, in this one we actually want to finish through the work, so no shortcuts this time. The first part of this is going to be the same as what we saw before, because again that was basically just solving through this part that has the 2. But then what's going to happen is we're going to get an answer for this, and then we're going to multiply by the original amount. So the original amount here is milligrams. So we are going to have to be careful. We need to go at some point from milligrams to micrograms. We can convert that whenever. Um, yeah, I guess let's do it now. We'll take it over to the corner over here. It's 26.42 milligrams. There's a few different ways to do this. Milligrams means 10 in the negative 3, and micro means 10 in the negative 6. And you could set those up and convert in a couple of steps, or if you sort of blend that conversion, I'll tell you that 1 milligram is 1,000 micrograms. And so I don't want this version of it. If I multiply it by the 1,000 and cancel out my units, I get 26,420 micrograms. And then that way I get micrograms as my answer. So I don't have to worry about this extra complication. I'm just going to get my answer now. All right, after that, everything's pretty well smooth sailing. So my original amount, that's the micrograms I just converted, 26,420. Then 2 raised to the negative, so that's 36. These days and those days will cancel over 3.71. Like the last one, I want to go ahead and work out this ratio or portion here, basically getting some decimal from the end, and then I'm going to multiply that by whatever I had when I started, and then that's going to scale it down. Always down because decay is making smaller amounts. Okay, so working this part out with the 2 and the exponent gives us something really small, 0.001199, and so on, so on. And then multiplying these together, this one goes out 4 decimal places because sometimes the answer is very small. But we have 31.6874, and these are micrograms because of the conversion we built in earlier.